In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new package using our platform effectively and efficiently. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a solid understanding by the end. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions panel. The good news is that this process is straightforward and begins with logging into your account. Depending on your setup, you'll use either your Acuity or Squarespace login credentials. Once you've logged in, navigate your way to the Packages section. This is your first gateway to creating compelling packages for your clients. Now that you're in the right panel, the next thing you'll want to do is click on New Package. This is where the magic begins. Start by giving your new package a descriptive and catchy title. This title is what your clients will see, so make it engaging and reflective of what the package offers. Once your title is set, it's time to determine the package's accessibility. In the access settings, you'll see three options: public, private, and unavailable. Selecting public will make the package available to everyone who views your scheduler. If you opt for private, only those clients who have the direct link will see it, keeping it hidden from your general scheduler. If the package is set to unavailable, it will not appear at all, and any direct links will inform clients that this option is no longer on offer. However, clients who have already purchased it will still be able to redeem their codes. Having decided on access, the next step is to set the price. Be transparent and competitive with your pricing to attract and retain clients. After setting the price, you have the option to add a little more flavor to your package by including a picture, a detailed description, or even a category. This is optional, but it can really help in making the package more attractive and informative for your clients. At this stage, ensure the gift certificate box remains unchecked. We offer a separate tutorial on how to create gift certificates, so no need to explore that here. Next, you'll need to specify how long the code is valid in the expires after field. This is crucial because it adds a clear time frame for your clients. If you leave this field empty, the codes will never expire, offering unlimited flexibility for your clients. However, defining an expiration period can help create urgency and encourage prompt usage. Remember, the codes can still be used to book appointments far into the future as per your scheduling limits. Now utilize the Redeemable for drop-down menu to set the package's redeemable value and decide which appointment types this package can be applied to. Tailor this according to your offerings for the best customer experience. Finally, click Add Package, and voila! Your new package is now live, ready for your clients to explore and purchase. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a new package. Thanks for watching, and happy package creating!